If you're trying to mix the color turquoise, but you keep coming out with grayish blues and greens and not the teal or turquoise color that you're really going for, watch this video and it will solve your problem. If you'd like help mixing other colors as well, check out the link below for a free color mixing workshop. And now let's get to it. Now I'm going to just experiment and see, can we get this turquoise color with the ultramarine blue? So here's the ultramarine blue again. And I always thought if I want to get from ultramarine blue to this turquoise, I'll add white to lighten it and then yellow to make it more of this kind of green color. And then I would get here, I look at this and I go like, wow, that's definitely way too green, right? So I'd add more turquoise and let's see if we can get it. Or I just added turquoise. I wasn't supposed to add it. I was supposed to add the ultramarine blue to see if we can get there. Okay, back with the ultramarine blue. I already gave away the answer. So blue, yellow, white. All right, so blue. And I can tell there's still a little bit of turquoise there on the brush, but hopefully you're getting my point here. As we add the ultramarine blue, and if you're doing it there at home, if you add the blue and the yellow and the white, it's like it keeps going back and forth between a grayish green and a grayish blue, right? And I'm going to show you why on the color wheel. So I'm trying to think like what's the closest color that I'm getting here with the blue, the yellow, and the white. And let's just make a comparison on our little index card. So see how it's like right now for up here, it's the right value. It's not quite the right hue. It could probably pass in this darker area. But then especially if I try and lighten to get this color on the wave, it's just always going to be gray in comparison when I'm trying to use that blue. It's never going to get that intense. So the reason is because I'm trying to go from this purplish blue over here to this turquoise, but look, when you go from this purplish blue over to yellow and then white, you're only in this area. It's like you can't reach out here. They're just too far apart on the color wheel. Now I'm going to go back to the turquoise and white. Let's see where we are just with this turquoise and white. And see, it's a little dark. I'll lighten it up a little bit. And that matches pretty well, right? So when you have a turquoise color or a teal color of any kind, if you want to really get that intensity and you want to get that color, you're going to have to buy that pigment. So that's just one of the ones you need to purchase if you're going for that intensity.